Welcome back to the channel, Hobby1 Kenobi here. I am continuing work on the Great Wall Hobby T-33A in 1/48 scale. Now that construction is complete on the main body of the aircraft, I can begin painting. I start first by spraying Tamiya flat white over much of the model. The fuselage, stabilizers, and wing tanks all receive the white color. This color required a buildup of different coats until I was pleased that the color was completely opaque. Next, I masked off the white areas in preparation for the ADC gray. A quick note about the gray. The instructions incorrectly show that the tops of the wings are also white. However, references showed that the wings carry the gray all the way up to the blue line on the fuselage. The ADC gray was made by mixing the following Tamiya colors: some doors were painted gloss red, along with the inside of the flaps, while the other doors were painted silver. Once dried, these areas were masked off and the outside of all of the doors and flaps were also painted ADC gray. Next, it was time for one of my favorite moments of any build, removing the masking tape. Contour tape from Tamiya worked like a charm. Next, I masked off the areas around the interior of the wing flaps and sprayed a few coats of gloss red. I took time to spray from several angles to ensure the paint reached the tighter spots. The actuators for the flaps were also painted red. Once again, tape was removed. Next, tape was used to expose the wheel wells. These were painted an interior green. This was a mix of green and yellow. Again, these areas had lots of little pockets and corners. Airbrushing from different angles helped ensure good coverage. Once dried, the tape was removed. Next, contour tape was used to create lines along each wing tank and along the forward fuselage. These areas of the aircraft were painted black to reduce sun glare from distracting the pilot. After I removed the masks, I realized that these areas would require a bit of touch-up. For the wing tanks, two lines were askew and I masked them again and sprayed the white to cover the mistakes. On the forward section on the section forward the windscreen, I touched a few corners up with the paintbrush. Once I was satisfied with the paint job up to this point, I sprayed the entire model with coats of Mission Models gloss. Well, that's it for this video. In the next one, I will begin decal work and finish up the build. Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed this content, please do leave a like and subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.